Hi everyone, it's Stacy and the Chihuahua Nigo. Over here we have Mi-san behind the camera. Hi!
Hi!
And hi. And we are the Ka team, and today we're talking about the zero conditional and the first conditional. So, to start with, we'll talk about the zero conditional and what it's for and how to make it. So, the first part is the zero conditional is used to talk about real things, things that are always true, scientific facts, real all the time things. So, for example, if you heat water to 100 degrees, it boils. We don't say it will boil, because that sounds like you're predicting the behavior of the water. But we don't have to predict the behavior of the water, it's science. Unless you're at a really high altitude or there's salt in the water. But in general, water boils if you heat it to 100 degrees. So another example about a scientific fact with the zero conditional would be if you drop an object from the top of a building, it falls. Not it will fall, or it might fall. Gravity doesn't need to think about it. You don't need to guess. It just happens. It's just like that. So the zero conditional has that function. You can also use the zero conditional to talk about something that's always true just for you. For example, if John eats spicy Korean food, he gets a stomachache. Now, if you're talking about this particular Korean food, you're gonna use the first conditional because you're predicting what will happen. If John eats this food, he will get a stomachache. But for the zero, you're talking about John, all Korean food, every time. If John eats Korean food, he gets a stomach ache every time. So, to talk about something that's always true like this, you use if plus present tense, and the next clause, also present tense. If he eats Korean food, he gets a stomachache. However, now the first conditional is used to talk about things that are real or likely in the present or in the future. So, for example, we'll go back to John and the Korean food. If John eats this Korean food that's in my hands right now, he will get a stomachache. So, this food exists, so there's a chance he will eat it, and if he does, I predict he will get a stomachache. So it's a real possibility in the present or the future. Another example would be, if I have time tomorrow, I will take Nigo to the park. It's very possible in the future, and I'm talking about what I intend in the future with this condition in place. So, if I have time, I will take him to the park, I will do laundry, and if I get hungry, I will make a sandwich. It's very possible in the future for these things to happen. So, when we use the first conditional, we need to use if plus present tense, and the result clause we use will, or we can also use might, and other present modals, plus the base verb. So, if I have time tomorrow, I will go to the park with Nigo. That's the first. The zero conditional, true facts, scientific facts, and situations that are always true. And the first conditional is talking about real possibilities, real situations in the present and the future. If you need any more information about that, comment below. And if you like the video, please click the subscribe button and click the like button and share with your friends and send us some comments, and have a great day and see you next time.